Is silver's massive rally just getting started? The precious metal just smashed through 14-year highs, and the entire market is watching to see what happens next. Let's break down the technicals and see where XAGUSD could be heading. The mood around silver is overwhelmingly positive. We're seeing strong bullish conviction across the board, with charts showing a powerful uptrend that has brought the price to levels not seen in over a decade. The prevailing view is that this upward momentum has more room to run, with some analysis even suggesting silver is outperforming gold over the last few years. Looking at the charts, many analysts see a classic bullish structure. The recent break above previous highs confirms the strength. We're seeing powerful Elliott Wave counts that suggest the market is in a strong upward phase, with many predicting an acceleration in price. Adding to this bullish case is the gold to silver ratio, which is trading at high levels that have historically signaled that silver may be undervalued relative to gold. So, where are the bulls aiming? Key upside targets are clustered around the psychological $40 mark. If that's cleared, many are looking towards 41.80, with some even forecasting a push to the 42 to 44 range, and a few long-term calls pointing as high as 45. But it's not a one-way street. Silver is now testing a major resistance zone formed by the top of a long-term price channel, right around 39.20 to 40.50. This is a critical selling point for some traders. If the price fails to break through decisively, we could see a pullback. Potential buying points on a dip could be found near the 39.15 support level, with a more significant floor around 38.60. For the bulls, the overall uptrend remains valid as long as the price stays above the key invalidation level of 35.42. Let's summarize the key takeaways. First, the sentiment is strongly bullish as silver trades at multi-year highs, with many analysts calling for continued upward movement. Second, the price is at a critical crossroads, testing major resistance. A clean break above the 40.50 area would be a very significant bullish signal. And third, key levels to watch are the upside targets near 42 and downside support around 38.60 for a potential pullback. In conclusion, silver is in the spotlight. The bulls are clearly in charge, but they face a major test right now. Whether we see a breakout to new highs or a healthy correction from this resistance will likely define silver's path for the coming weeks.